Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Destiny. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing like this go-to look, what I would wear if I only had like 30 minutes to get ready, or just like my go-to look if I don't want to put on a lot of makeup. Guess what I did to my bangs? I cut them again. I cut them like myself. I should have recorded it and made a YouTube video about it, but anyways, yeah, I cut my bangs again. Besides that, there's nothing new. Why? This is like not good. There we go. It's like something was wrong. Yeah, so let's get started. For the primer real quick, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Blemish Control. I also use the Milani Prime Correct. Whatever I feel like using that day is what I use. Anyways, guys, so I hit 10,000, like, I believe it was like 4 days ago, I'm not sure, but I hit 10,000 subscribers, and that like blows my mind because like 10,000 people push the subscribe button so they could watch me more. Like, I don't even know why y'all like me in the first place. So the first thing that I do is my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using the Cara Beauty. If you watch my video, you already know what I'm about to say, but it's literally a dupe for the Anastasia one, and it's like so much more cheaper. Anyways, so I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild. I got a new eyebrow brush because I ended up losing my other one, which was the AOA Studio one. But anyways, I'm using the Wet n Wild, just a flat angled brush. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows first, and it literally hurts really bad, like right here. Y'all want to know what I did? I don't know what it was. I mean, I do know what it was. Like, I was trying to open the door, and I guess my foot, I don't know, my foot did something, and then the door just went, it literally went boom, like the corner of the door, and it just, I'm just glad it was on my eyebrow and not like right here. It would have been like, oh, it was so bad, it hurt. He's literally the cutest dog ever. Do you want to see my dog? Should that be my thumbnail? You know how everybody's talking about the Popeyes chicken or their chicken sandwich or whatever? I haven't even tried it yet. I don't even know what's the difference. I know there's pickles on it, but I don't even like pickles, so I already know I'm gonna end up taking them off. But I literally haven't even tried it yet. Oh yeah, and please ignore all like the mess. I didn't feel like making my bed because I just got done with all my schoolwork, and I was like, all right, I need to make a YouTube video like right now, like right now. To conceal my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline concealer, and I'm only gonna conceal the bottom, my bottom brow. Sometimes I conceal like this part just to like sharpen it. It just depends if I want to that day, but you know, I don't ever conceal my top brow though. Alright, so I'm not gonna put any foundation on. I mean, see, this is what I do. I think, at least for me, why'd you move? If I only just put concealer under my eyes, I feel like I just look so weird. Like, the tone does not match. Like, it just doesn't blend in. It's like, I just think I look ugly, okay? I look ugly with concealer under my eyebrows. So you can either use foundation, or this is what I'm gonna use, is the Fenty Beauty matte stick. Either one, but I'm just gonna put foundation under my eyes and just a little bit of concealer. but I'm not gonna put foundation all over my face. I'm only gonna put it like under my eyes. I'm using the Fenty Beauty matte stick in the shade Honey, and I'm going to like, hold on. Okay, I got my beauty blender, and I'm gonna put this like that. Okay, a little bit on the insides of that circle, like that, and then like down my nose. Now I'm gonna blend. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this right here. It's like so disgusting. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to concealer and put some like there, right there. I guess I'll put some on my chin and right there. Anyways, guys, if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram like right now. Like, stop watching this video like right now, like right now. Okay, put a little bit of concealer on there, but I'm also gonna get the Fenty Beauty so it can like not look so bright, so it won't be so noticeable. And then put that right there so you can't see her. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 15. And then I get really oily right here, like especially right here. Anyways, we're gonna move on to bronzer. I usually do cream contour with that concealer. If you watch my videos, then you know what I'm talking about. But for today, I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro contour palette, and I'm gonna be using this one and a little bit of that one, and I'm gonna be bronzing up my face with I actually got this on Amazon. It was like a whole like makeup brush set, but it's like this BS mall, I don't know. I got this a long time ago, but it's just like a fluffy round brush. But of course you can use whatever brush. I'm just letting you know what I use. Anyways. And then I'm gonna, first I like to like dab it on there so I can get the product on my face, and then like dab it in other areas, and then that's when I like start blending. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't put anything on my eyelids. I do that on purpose. I don't even put concealer, no foundation. I literally put nothing on my eyelids. Well, there is something that I do with my eyelids, like a little trick that I like to do, but I'll show you that in a minute. So the lashes that I'm going to be using is it's by Kiss, the Lash Culture, and it's this one. I'm gonna curl these lashes real quick. And I know these ones are not dry, but oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I do to make my eyes look fuller and not like that. I'm gonna get the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Yes, it's like super fucking dirty. And I'm gonna get like this brush. Okay. It's the AOA Studio E134. And I'm going to dip in the Cyrus Umber. Anyways, I'm gonna go under my eyes and like, yeah, like that. Hold on, that's not the only thing I do. I also do it on my top too, and I literally just do this. as if it was like eyeliner or something. I don't know. I just love, ew. I just love the way it looks when you do it on your top. Well, I mean, it really doesn't matter. Oh well. I don't know. I just like it. Like, just look at the difference. You know? Or not my lash. Yeah, my lash line. Sorry. And I'm just gonna do that. Do you see the difference? That's so cute. Guys, y'all have to try this. Please try this. This little trick that I'm doing, and my eyes are getting a little watery. Sorry. Anyways, moving on to lips. I'm going to take the lip liner pencil Bittersweet by Ulta Beauty. And hold on, I'm gonna put some lip balm real quick. And please do this. Put lip balm or some type of thing that'll make your lips like slippery. I guess that's how you want to say it. So I'm gonna put that lip balm on real quick. And then I'm just gonna just so it can make my lips like that color. I'm gonna get the Milani lip gloss in the shade 03 to touch it off. Oh, highlighter. Guys, I forgot highlighter. And then I'm going to put highlight on because you have to have highlight on. Like, what are you doing if you don't put a highlight on, you know? I'm going to be using, it doesn't say, but I believe, oh, it does. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blending brush. I'm going to use it as my highlighter though, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome. It's okay, guys. I haven't straightened my bangs, so those are kind of like my natural bangs. Oh, well, this is actually my natural hair because like I literally just got out the shower when I started this video. Anyways, guys, so this is a finished look. Okay, a little close up. Don't get too close. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what videos I want to see. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram at DesGates. Follow me on Snapchat at BabySanchez221. I will see y'all in the next video. Only if you subscribe. Bye.